Good morning, Shubhodaya, Ellarigu Namaskara. Welcome back to the channel. Now by the title you already know what this video is going to be about. So let me reach Acclaim Motors, that is where I'm gonna get the fuel X installed on my bike. So by the time I reach there, go and check out the unboxing video of the Race Dynamics Fuel X Pro. Okay guys, I'm just trying to keep the Race Dynamics tape as it is, but I don't think beep this. Oh my God. Guys, my knife is in the car, so I'm using my sister's knife. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಂಚಾಕು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. Oh guys, I ripped the complete. Okay, this let us open. Finally the product. This is the Fuel X. Oh, so many languages it is. Hindi also is there. This is, I hope this is Japanese. So Chinese seal as such. Says Fuel X Pro 9990. This is for my bike Royal Enfield Himalayan 2022. Okay, art of, it's a fuel injection optimizer. Basically it controls the fuel and air mixture for your bike from Powertronics. Okay, this is how the lid looks. Keep it aside. The first thing you see is a quick start user guide and warranty card. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh yeah, this is the bill. I'm not going to show you that, obviously. Keep it aside. Okay, says thank you for choosing Fuel X. We at Race Dynamics genuinely appreciate your business and we are grateful for the trust you have placed in us. We hope you are satisfied with your purchase.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಆಶಯದಲ್ಲಿ. I don't know how to open this, guys. How to I think I'll have to remove this. Yeah, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು guys. Okay, yeah, so this is, let me show you from here actually. This is the Fuel X Pro. This is the module and this is the switch. Okay. So this is how the back looks. This is all the wire that goes inside the bike. ಇದು O2 ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು? ಅದೇನಾ? Morning friends, so this is the continuation of the Fuel X video that you saw until now. So it's been almost like more than 2 years since I've been using the Fuel X, so I can talk about it very well. I have had a very good experience of this product. I am actually a rave promoter for this product. This is like one of the best accessory that I have on my bike. So basically Fuel X is nothing but a fuel optimizer. So your engine, how your engine works is fuel and air mixture goes into the engine as input. So this controls how much fuel and how much air are being mixed and pushed into the engine. So how this connected to your bike is through the O2 sensor, the oxygen sensor. It's very simple, you can do it by yourself, but I would recommend having to have much experience with DIYs. Please go and get it fixed from a service center or any nearby accessory shop. If you are having a Royal Enfield, I would advise you to go to Acclaim Motors because they are very well versed with this. So this costed me around 10,000 rupees. This is the Pro version. What is the difference between the normal and the Pro version is that The normal version doesn't come with a switch that you can change the modes, but a pro version comes with a switch that you can see here. So the module is actually inside the seat. It's just a basic DIY. So the pro version comes with a switch. There are 10 interchangeable modes. If you click on this, it goes to the higher mode. When you click on this, it comes to the lower mode. So right now I'm riding it on the 7th mode. Now if you can see, I press 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5. So like that you can go from 1 to 10. So 1 is the lean mixture and 10 is the rich mixture. It is advised to ride your bike depending on what you have on the bike. So 3 is the stock mode without, when you keep this on the 3 mode, it is the stock condition of the bike without any additional mixture or requirements. So if you have an aftermarket air filter or free flow exhaust, then you can go to modes above 7 and 8, but it is advised to, I would advise you to ride anywhere between modes 3 and 5. I have found that sweet spot in mode 6, and obviously that depends on what conditions you are riding. I would prefer the bike to have it on a lower mode if I am riding on a highway, because you don't need much power. But if you are taking it to higher altitudes and off-roads, and then accordingly you need to change your mode. Okay, now I'll tell you why this is one of the best product and what were the problems that made me spend 10,000 rupees from my pocket and buy this product. So initially I was very skeptical when I wanted to go and buy in, but then many people advised me, one of them being Acclaim Motors. They very strictly advised me to go in for this. So I went and I bought it, and since the moment after the installation I started riding the bike, I am in love with this product. So initially I rode the bike without the installation for around 2 months, I think 1.5 to 2 months. So I had faced certain problems with the bike. Say suppose, see, now I am in 4th mode, I need to shift to 3rd mode, okay, and the bike takes it off. So before the installation of this product, I had to come down to 2nd or 1st gear. If not, the engine would knock. The engine knocking in Himalayan is a real problem, guys, trust me. I know this bike is amazing, very good, but there are again certain negativity. See, again now I am in 3rd gear, I wouldn't shift at all. Just hold the clutch, brake, take it off, no knocking, takes it off very smooth. So what I have noticed after installing this product is it has reduced the amount of downshifting I do on the bike by a drastic amount, and trust me, it is one hell of a energy saver, guys, because every time you had to slow down or you see a sudden speed breaker where you put the gear down, no, not required at all, no knocking. And even in the 2nd gear you can easily cruise at around 10-15 speeds and the engine doesn't knock. See, right now I am in 80 and I am in 4th gear. I can easily cruise, the engine won't knock, nothing. It's amazing. I'll show you the overspeed. Now I am in the top gear of the bike and I am reducing the speed to 60. No knocking, absolutely. Before the installation of this product, had I done this, I would instantaneously go and switch down the gear because the engine used to knock. But after installation of this product, it is amazing. So if you are having Himalayan, I would very much advise you to go in for the Fuel X. I have had an very good experience with this product. If anyone of you asks me which is the one product that I would recommend, see guys, even now I am on the top gear, 40, no knocking, easily cruise. That's the advantage of this product. And I've noticed that the engine also, the response of the engine is a bit smoother after the installation of this product. Now many of you might find it a debatable point, but I have personally noted it, guys. I've used this bike like crazy, so I know. Coming coming to the next point, was there any fuel mileage drop after installation of the product? Now there is, the hard truth is there is a small amount of mileage drop that I have noticed after installation of the product, but again that will depend on how you are riding the bike. Personally, I rip the bike, I rev it very hard, I rev the engine, I rev the motor like crazy. So I wouldn't tell that only fuel X is one of the reason for dropping the mileage of the bike. But then if you're riding it smoothly, I don't think, I have in fact heard many people, even the team from Race Dynamics tell that they have heard many people saying that the fuel mileage has increased after the installation of the product because the engine becomes smoother and everything. So again, just don't depend on fuel X. It largely depends on how you ride the bike, how well you ride the bike, and how you are revving the bike as well. So that should be one of the considering factor when you're talking about mileage drop after installing the product. But there is, because I used to ride the bike like this only even before the installation of the product, so I would say there is not a large amount, by I would say a kilometer max, a kilometer drop in the fuel mileage after installation of the fuel X. Another point that I have noticed is the engine heat has reduced. I know this is very lame point, but many of you guys wouldn't agree with this, but I have noticed it, guys. I have noticed it. The engine heating has reduced. This bike heats up a lot, but after the installation of the product, what I have noticed is it is not reduced by a huge amount, but it has reduced. Now why I am being so diplomatic, not huge amount, not large, because it's a very debatable point, guys, and this is my experience what I'm telling you of riding the bike. I have ridden the bike 16,300 kilometers. Probably before installation of this I would have ridden the bike around 2,500 kilometers. So I have ridden the bike with the product for nearly more than 10,000 kilometers, and that I can judge the product by that kilometers. So to wrap everything up, if you are facing that first gear engine knock problem where you have to hold the clutch of the bike, you know that's one feeling that I can't explain. I don't know how to put in words, but once you're riding the bike, this bike has that problem. I've seen in many Himalayans, it knocks. You know, the first gear it knocks, even on the first and second gear it knocks like crazy. But after the installation of the product, eradicated completely, the problem is gone. So please go ahead and get this product. I am not promoting this product or anything. It is just that personally I love this product and I've been using it ever since. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please do give it a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet for more such videos. Go check out my channel and I hope you liked it. See you all in the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe and rev it out.